Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're going to continue our Campfire cooking series with a Spanish rice casserole. So stick around, we have an outstanding show coming up. In a previous cooking video, we were out in the field and we cooked up some stuffed onion bacon bombs. And let me tell you, they were outstanding. Now, if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click on the icon at the top of the screen and it will take you there. As far as today goes, it's a nice day and I thought, we're out here, why not continue this campfire cooking series with an improvised Spanish rice casserole? But first, let's check out the cookware that I have today. The Pathfinder folding skillet is made from stainless steel, has an 8-inch diameter with a locking folding handle, a lid with a D-ring, and weighs 20 ounces. The next item from Self-Reliance Outfitters is a large bush pot. It's made from 304 stainless steel, measures 6 inches in height, 7.5 inches in diameter, and holds 120 ounces, has a bail, pour spout, large carrying handles, and a lid with a D-ring. If you're interested in that cookware, there's a link to my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page in the description box. If not, let's go ahead and kick off this Spanish rice casserole. Now before we go any further, just like all my recipes, they could be scaled up or down, or tweaked to your liking. Season it how you want. I didn't put any seasonings on that meat, because I'm going to go ahead and add it to my rice, and I'll season it then. Now, let's talk about the ground beef. 1 pound of ground beef of your choice. Could be bison meat, could be deer meat, you can even substitute chicken. You can't mess this recipe up. Now, I want to go ahead and brown that meat. I want to break pieces of it off. Think of the consistency of something for, say, something you would add to hamburger helper. If you go ahead and go with that, you're good to go. One glove. It reminds me, childhood friend of mine, we came up together. Later in life he came to me and he said, what can I do to make myself unique? I looked at him and I said, Mike, just wear one glove. Just one. And the rest was history. That's what I'm talking about. Looking good to go. Next step, you want to go ahead and drain this. I'm going to grab 32 ounces of water, add it to my rice, bring it to a boil. Once we have that boil, we're going to go ahead and take it off the heat and add the rest of our ingredients. 16 ounces to a pound. This is roughly a 32-ounce bag. Gonna pinch it, guesstimate about half. Good to go. Now while that rice is simmering, let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. Check it periodically. All you're trying to do is fully cook that rice. If you notice the rice is a little bit crunchy, just add a little bit more water. Technically, for just the rice, it's 2 to 1, meaning 2 cups of water per 1 cup of rice. But think about it, you added a bunch of other stuff. So my advice, once again, is just check it every 10, 15 minutes, or even 5 to 10 minutes. Check that rice. Once it's good to go, you're good. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Now for the good stuff. You know what? Screw it. Oh yeah. Put that lid back on, melt that cheese. We are good to go. Mix that cheese in there. Oh man. Yes, it's outstanding. You want a good lunch or dinner in the woods? There you go. That amount right there will probably feed a good 4 to 5 people, maybe 6 if you stretch it out. I'm gonna sit here, eat all of this, then go back and get some more. Why? Because I can. That cheese on there. Round two. Oh man. You think I was joking? Because I wasn't. So just like last time, look at that cheese. Wow. I'm gonna sit here and be nasty. So, catch you all in a few minutes. Welcome back. This improvised Spanish rice casserole was outstanding. Now check this out. Like I mentioned before, this recipe was the basics. It can be scaled up or down or tailored to your liking. I suggest you experiment with the basics, add what you want, and then drop me a note, let me know how it worked out for you. As always, all the gear in the video can be found at the Amazon influencer page, with the exception of Pathfinder specific items, such as the cookware you've seen today. That can be found on my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. I'll put both those links inside my description box. Now please do me that favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm gonna catch you next time.